Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can order a 407 transponder online. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. So guys, I have opened this website just in order to protect some privacy. What I have done, I have taken screenshots of the steps so that you can see it yourself. Okay. So this is when you open the website. If you already have an account, you're going to click on login. And if you don't have, if you scroll down on the same page, you're going to see this option, create my account. You're going to click here. It will come here. Here you can go for create your account. We are going to click your, provide all the details that you have, address, phone number, everything. And then it's going to create your account. When you log in, it's going to be something like this. Okay. Here your email account will come. So you can click on here, order transponder. Okay. If you have not registered any license plate there, it's important to do that. So in that case, you can go for plates. You can select one of the plate if you have already done so. Otherwise, you can click on add a license plate and add the license plate. That's very important. And then you can go to this transponder and click on order new transponder. So whatever license plate you added before or it was present before, it will appear in this drop down. Like if you have multiple cars, then definitely that will appear. So you're going to select the one that you're going to buy this for. Then shipping information will be auto-populated and it will on the same page, if you scroll down, it will ask the payment frequency. You're going to go for annual or monthly. Most people go for annual, but it's up to you. Okay. You're going to go on next. It comes to step 2. Okay. Where you're going to select the account. Okay. And then you're going to click on next. We're going to click on next. We're going to put the payment information. Next, we're going to confirm and then pay. So that's how simple it is, guys. It doesn't take much more. Very simple. And then it's going to be delivered to you. Now, delivery instruction you're going to get here. When you click on order transponder here, the same page, you're going to confirm the car details and also delivery instruction if any. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.